Hello and welcome to our concluding session of our course Yantras for Chakras. Today we're going to talk about the seventh chakra, the Sahasrara or the Crown Chakra. My name is Alina and I am a Neurographica instructor. The Crown Chakra is the seventh primary chakra in many Vedic traditions. It is the chakra of self-transcendence and connection with the infinite source of life. The seventh chakra, or the crown chakra, in Sanskrit Sahasrara means thousand-petaled, and it's located at the top of the head, in the middle of the head, just above the crown. Here's the name, the crown chakra. It's the final chakra in the system. It has a unique role in human spirituality, connection, and consciousness. The crown chakra is considered the individual center of spirit, wisdom, and universal consciousness. It governs our interaction and communication with the universe. It is our center of inspiration and devotion. The crown chakra is the meeting point between the physical body and the universe and soul. When the crown chakra is said to be balanced, it brings feeling of serenity, joy, and deep peace about life. Overall, the crown chakra is responsible for a healthy spiritual life. The general signs when the crown chakra is not balanced or underdeveloped include difficulties with meditation, difficulty feeling connected, a lack of interest in spiritual matters, as well as boredom, feeling disconnected, and desiring complete isolation. There are no clear healing processes in the crown chakra, as its issues are not psychological by nature. We can think of a healing process in terms of allowing ourselves to work on our connection with the world around us. What are the key characteristics of the crown chakra? As beauty, the crown chakra allows us to see the beauty and divinity of all things. Unity, the crown chakra represents our connection to the universe. We are able to experience unity with everyone and everything around us. Awareness, this chakra brings our consciousness to a higher level, allowing us to start thinking of ourselves less like an individual, but more like part of a bigger system. And the crown chakra is the gateway between the physical and cosmic self. Our chakras are being balanced constantly. Thus, working with chakras is a regular daily activity. Working with the crown chakra indicates an interest in a higher purpose. So, what can we do to balance the crown chakra? Is letting go. We could start with writing down what's holding us back and thinking about those issues. We can even go to extreme, burn this paper. We also can try living a simple life without unnecessary goods and unnecessary things. Physical activities, like practicing yoga and various asanas that promote calmness and balancing of the other chakras. Meditation. And meditation plays the most important role in restoring balance to the chakras, especially the crown chakra. Chakra meditation techniques are similar to traditional meditation, but they focus on a specific area of the body. Affirmation may help. Positive affirmations could be beneficial to heal negative programming. And of course, experiencing and creating beauty. For example, like drawing that we're going to do today. And before we begin our drawing tutorial, let's talk about the crown chakra yantra. So as I mentioned, location. The chakra is believed to be located above the top of the head in the center of the head. Color. It's pure white, and white contains all the other color, or sometimes violet. This chakra is said to be the form of a lotus with 1,000 petals. The 1,000-petaled lotus represents the full blossoming of consciousness. And the circle. The circle represents the full moon, openness and awakening of the conscious. The full moon, openness and awakening of the conscious mind. So you can see on the right side or left side that the yantra, it's something similar that we're going to draw today, but a more simplified form, not 1,000, unless you're up to it. It's a big challenge to draw 1,000 petals. And of course, we will introduce the elements of Neurographica. And with this, let's begin our drawing.